The Stevie Award gets its name from the Greek word for crowned. The Stevies are like the Oscars of the business world, or it's like winning a gold medal at the Olympics. And though we've won many awards over the years, this one is really kind of special. We're so proud that GRAPHISOFT has been recognized by the International Business Awards with a Gold Stevie for its outstanding work on the ARCHICAD 21 marketing campaign. This award goes out to our great team of developers who work hard every day to create innovative solutions for architects year after year.